Why does every country have a particular energy mix, composed of different types of power plants? Has this question ever crossed your mind? Why, for example, don't we have more energy from wind farms in the Czech Republic, like they do in Germany? Or why aren't there more hydroelectric plants like in Austria? Let's look at the deciding factors when building a new power plant. Our main concern is how the production of electricity impacts the environment. ČEZ Group focuses on those sources that do not destroy it. Therefore, coal-fired power plants are being gradually phased out and replaced by cleaner energy sources. But how to choose the right one? Besides price, the decisive criterion for choosing the right energy source is its availability. The question is not which sources we like, but which sources are available to us. Here in the Czech Republic, for example, we have good conditions for the use of hydropower since there are many rivers. However, the potential has already been used to the maximum, so the construction of large new hydropower plants cannot be counted on. The use of wind energy also looks promising here. But unlike Germany, a large and thanks to the sea quite windy country, suitable areas in the Czech Republic are mostly in national parks or otherwise protected areas, where although it is very windy, power plants cannot be built. Energy from the sun, on the other hand, has a potential for expansion via solar power plants. And nuclear power plants are also both promising and affordable. Why nuclear, you might wonder? Why don't we generate electricity just from renewable energy sources? Because they have one disadvantage: their output is dependent on weather and climate-related factors. For example, solar power plants produce the most energy from spring to autumn, but not so much in winter when energy consumption is the highest. But we need enough electricity at any time of the year or day, regardless of the weather. And since we cannot store electricity cheaply yet, renewable sources must be backed up by some large, clean source that functions all year round. And that's exactly what nuclear power plants provide. For the Czech Republic, an ideal combination consists of nuclear power plants, which produce electricity stably regardless of the time of year or weather, and renewable sources, mainly existing hydroelectric power plants and growing amount of solar power plants. With this energy mix, we can be an energy self-sufficient, independent country. We want to have clean domestic sources that will ensure enough electricity for us and future generations.